Now, you didn't tell the children about Shambourcy, real chocolate mousse.
And now you didn't tell the children about quantum mechanics. In 360 BC, we began to nut out what existence meant. And by 1700, we'd worked out how to use maths for everything. A while later, it was decided to teach this to everyone. The end.
And that's all, folks.
However, it wasn't all. We continued to get smarter. We looked at things ever more closely and eventually saw atoms. And those atoms were totally different. They were maths things. Well, Miss Levine, it is what it is. Let me explain. Let's start off with my cat called Fluffy. To kick things off, the ancient Greeks recognized that Fluffy was a thing that could be understood and analyzed. After quite some time, Newton came along and began to use maths and to draw things as models or pictures. The word for a science picture is a model, and the word for a thing in a science picture is a body. You don't have to be much of an artist because you can draw a body as a single dot. We've developed a maths toolkit that allows us to describe what will happen to a body. If we feed data into our equations and we can tell what happens next, we know we're on a winner. Everything was going great until they came up against the atom. Everyone recognizes this model of the atom. Unfortunately, it would explode. Scientists still love Newton, but it was time to move on. Throwing more maths tools at the equations wasn't getting anywhere, so Schrödinger used the tools directly on objects, and scientists have been totally amazed ever since. Atoms are just not things, they're totally awesome maths things.
I am here tonight to deliver a message and it is a message deeply delivered from my heart.
Alternative facts about the quantum maths thing atom. There are no surfaces, it's totally fuzzy all the way through. Electrons are actually bigger than protons. All parts of the atom are superimposed on each other. This explains the density of different elements. Some of the electron is actually inside the nucleus. And atoms are super bouncy.